nobody's here, so I feel like you can really see what's going on here. They have taken all the walls out in the upstairs, which means they're going to reconfigure this upstairs entirely. And I'm assuming they're still going to rebuild. Like, they have taken a lot out, probably way more than I would have anticipated they would. This entire back wall is gone down to the first floor. But you come around front. This is what they did that I don't understand. Let's see. They have taken out the windows in the second floor. Like why? There was nothing wrong with these windows at all. I'm trying not to get like snobby about it because obviously it looks like they're saving the house. So, I mean, I'm not one to complain, right? They're doing it, not me. But I don't understand why you would take out the windows. And I don't think they took them out and like saved them, because if we come over here, here's all your materials. I mean, that's obviously decking. Radiant barrier. Here's shattered glass. So it looks like they just took the windows out and threw them. Oh, look, here's some original wallpaper. Oh my gosh. We didn't even know this was here. I wonder where this was. Look at that. Oh, it's so beautiful. Those are morning glories and roses. Oh my gosh, I'm about to cry. That's so beautiful. That's probably original wallpaper. Like from when the house was rebuilt in the 30s. Wow. So yeah. Oh, here's a little piece. I'm gonna take this piece. Oh, this is different. This is different than that. Y'all, I wonder where this was. It had to be under the drywall that had been put up before we moved in. I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take it as a souvenir of my time at this house. But hang on, let me see how far out I can get. Like, the second floor is gone. Gone. Big gone. But they're gonna rebuild it.
So Eddie's been doing a couple things here. We had to put some serious wood in the center of both rooms. This is the parlor and then the dining room, because Lane has got a really heavy fixture that's going to hang directly in the center of the room. So with that wood, we'll be able to anchor that. This one over here is ready for that. Before you put up drywall, you gotta kind of start thinking, where am I putting really heavy things, mirrors, and you go ahead and put some wood back behind there. The other thing you want to do is video where everything is. So you'll know, sometimes drywallers will put drywall over an outlet and you'll forget where it is. You'll not know it's there and they won't have a cutout for it. So you have to dig for it to go find it. So it's a good idea to have video of that so you'll know where to go. All right, so that's the drip edge they're putting in.
Who did this frame, the joist? This end, you look at it, this end is pretty level.
Starting to lean down.
Look at that end.
Yeah, well, man, that's
dropping. Not level.
Dropping a couple inches almost, isn't it?
From where it breaks right there, it's supposed to be level.
Yeah, right.
Down here it is. Down there, that corner.
Yeah.
What happens? That corner rides up. You can see that this molding, as you go down, I don't know, it's the same over the window.
Yeah. We're gonna pretend we didn't see it.
You gotta look it hard.
Yeah, it's not that bad, and at least it leans down instead of up. That'd be
It's
worse,
an
I
old
guess.
house, too, you know.
Yeah, that's true. But I mean,
That's
this was all gone. That had to be built new, though, Eddie.
They really should have got.
So
that.
they just failed.
Yeah, on this end.
'Cause
you
it was
put
all
the
burned.
Level on it, and this end's level,
Yeah,
but that end's off a little.
yeah. It's, I don't know if y'all can see in the video. It's off. What is that? An
Good
inch and a half, or is it an inch?
Inch and a half. Probably.
Yeah.
And somebody, when they pulled their strings for that, they got that up too hard. Got this too low, maybe. I ain't sure.
Yeah, I'm
It
not
worked
gonna
out
take
right on
responsibility.
my board. I don't know.
Yeah, yeah. They just lean down a little bit, I guess. It's not bad. So you're having to pull this off and put a corner block on.
Yeah,
I see.
it's got an old burnt board on top, and then it's got this one that's burnt. It's charred up, and I got a better looking board down there that's made like the ones at the bottom. It's got the rounded.
Oh yeah,
corner.
right.
Go ahead and do
But
it
you were
right.
doing the corners over there in the L. You still have some from that. But he's putting these in. It's kind of our last piece for this ceiling. Pieces, I guess I should say. It's two pieces there. So this is what John was working on the other day, these stops right here. So that keeps the window from coming back. And those look real pretty. Put them on this one. Looks like he ain't got them on this one yet. Not quite. We're back in the bathroom now, and just wanted to show you another example of where we put our dead wood to catch screws and nails to hold heavy things. So this will be our vanity, and we'll have 3 sconces with mirrors in between right there and there. So what I will do is measure the height of both of those boards and write those on there before I video this room, so that I know exactly where I can find a good place to put a screw. Now we're already ahead of the game, because these are 3-inch studs as opposed to 1 3/4 inch, and that one, I mean, it's at least 3 inches. So you're gonna find a lot more to anchor to in a wall with studs like that, but you just never know where you might need them, or we don't even know what mirrors we're putting in here right now. So it's always better safe than sorry. Just cut a few boards, screw them in, and you're gonna be good. Eddie has also put us a corner board. We didn't have a corner board there. So he saw that he had nowhere to end this board here, and was like, well, I better go get ahead of that and put a corner board there. So now I got a place to end that one. Baby, are you helping today? Okay, good job. Keep Eddie in line, will you please?
With a little polishing compound.
Say that you put them in acid yesterday and then put them on the buffing wheel.
Yeah, and then they're like brand new now.
They
man.
sure are. Good night. That's beautiful.
Yeah.
Man, I can't wait to do that to all of them, get them on the
This is one
doors.
of the hardware off the jib doors. You know that.
Oh,
Was,
yeah. Shoot, that looks great. You gonna be able to get use those ones we got, that jib door?
And I'm gonna make the other one to match
Okay,
that when I
yeah.
make this door up here.
Cool, cool, cool. My crew, Eddie, Jerry, Wayne, and John, got these tents looking good. Babe was not a help at all. Baby. Where's she at? See, she can't even find her when you need her. Not helping. We're having a progressive dinner here tomorrow. So we're gonna get some tables under there, some chairs under there. Get some jambalaya, some gumbo, red beans and rice. It's gonna be good. So Living History Natchez, we're having a little progressive dinner tomorrow just with friends. So setting up on the sideline. Kind of made it harder on my sideline because we just ran this electrical trench. So we got a big a big mound of mud. There you go. I said it. Got a big mound of mud that runs back here. So we had to move it forward. Normally we'd put it closer back here, but it's gonna work. There we are, all staked in. I did mow the grass yesterday, so that should be nice. Got a couple of bare spots from where they brought their tractors in, but we're good for the most part. Ready to go. So this is the absolute first thing that Lane would have done after somebody dug a trench in this yard. I'm gonna look for treasures. Now, there are not many that are readily apparent, so we'll see. Lane probably would find them all, and I can't ever find them. So, see if I can find any and make her jealous. So far, no pottery at all, but pretty good sized deer tracks. I did see some deer out here last night, and Stanley was not happy with their presence. He told them to go elsewhere. Found that guy. Not nothing. Hey, buddy. So first off, I want to give a little shout out to Lee, Michael, and Audrey, my brother and sister-in-law, my niece, bringing me this shirt back from Disney World, which is so me. I haven't met any of you, but I love you all very much. So I did 2 or 3 passes and found nothing. So my eyes are no good, obviously. But 3rd and 4th pass, I did find a couple of good things. Let me show you. So I got some nice color in these 2. Can't tell you a thing about them. Lane probably could. But for as big a hole as there is over here, didn't find much. I kind of think since this has always kind of been the entrance to town, they probably put less trash over here than maybe on that side of the house. So, I don't know. But I found a couple good pieces. Lane would be proud. So John found a good before.
Shot, yeah.
Wow. That excites me to like finish this house. I mean, that is unbelievable difference. So John has both sashes in this jib door window and put them in last night. Was up here till like 1 something. Guess how many times I walked through before I hit my head on it? That would be 1. Very first time through was looking at some mail, smashed my head right on it. But yeah, gonna have to be a little more careful in the future. So we got both those in, and he got the top of this one in. So we are getting real windowy back here, which is awesome. Just look. Doesn't look like those are 200 years old, does it? Just shiny and beautiful. So, like I said, we're having a Living History Natchez event tomorrow, and I think I'm ready. Have I already complained that I don't do this kind of thing without Lane, and that I'm kind of Don't really know what I'm doing because putting on parties is definitely her thing. But it's not clean on the inside, but it is clean enough to walk around in a little bit. It's not as clean as we had it on tour. But we're in pretty good shape in there. I got our posters out so they can see what it looked like after the fire. Then we'll be having some dinner over here on the side grounds. Got our tents, tables, tablecloths, chairs. Got some ferns out. Looks festive to me. I don't know if Lane would approve or not, maybe. Maybe, we'll say a strong maybe. So I have to show you guys this too. So this is the Hobby Lobby coming along, and I know that's not a big deal for any of you that live in a larger town. That's a big deal for a small town like Natchez.